Assalamu alaikum. How are you today? Now we have lesson 5 in unit 9. This is page 72. Here we have a reading passage about the world records. But let's start now with exercise number 1. Listen, point, and repeat. We have some new vocabulary here. So open your class book, page 72. Listen, point to the words in your book. Try to repeat.
Listening 77. Listen and point.
Building. Country. Bridge. River. Old. Long. River. Long. Bridge. Old. Country. Building.
Listen and repeat.
Building. Country. Bridge. River. Old. Long.
Look again with me.
Building. Country. Bridge. River. Old. Long. Building. Country. Bridge. River. Old. Long.
Okay, now let's go to listen and read. Try to listen and read. Then we are going to read the passage here about world records. Here are some of the world records. There are many interesting facts we are learning. We are going to learn about the oldest building in the world, the longest bridges in the world, the biggest country in the world, and the longest river in the world. So here we have 4 paragraphs. Let's listen to them one by one. Here, let's learn about the oldest building in the world.
Listening 78. Listen and read.
Here are some of the world's records. There are many interesting facts.
The Gigantia buildings are in Malta. They are over 5,500 years old. They are the oldest buildings in the world.
So the first paragraph was about the Gigantia buildings. They are in Malta and they are the oldest building in the world. They are about 5,500 years old. Let's listen to the second paragraph.
The longest bridges in the world are the 2 bridges over Lake Pontchartrain in the USA. The bridges are nearly 24 miles long. You can't see land from the middle of the bridges.
So here we learned about the longest bridges in the world. They are in the USA and they are about 24 miles long. Let's go to the third paragraph.
Russia is the biggest country in the world. It is 17,075,400 square kilometers. That is 12.5% of the Earth's surface. In Russia, there are 11 different time zones. Russia is between Europe and Asia.
Here we listened about Russia, the biggest country in the world. Let's go now and learn about the longest river in the world.
The longest river in the world is the Nile. The Nile is 6,695 kilometers long. The Nile flows through 9 countries in Africa. The last country is Egypt. From Egypt, it flows into the Mediterranean Sea.
So the Nile is the longest river in the world. It's about 6,695 kilometers long. It flows through 9 countries in Africa, and the last one is Egypt. Okay. So now here we have some questions. Read and match the sentences halves. You can read the passage again. Then let's go to answer the question. The Gigantia buildings are the oldest buildings in the world. Lake Pontchartrain is in the USA. Russia is the biggest country in the world. The Nile is the longest river in the world. Let's move now to the workbook, page 64. Here, exercise number 1, order the letters and write the words. So number 2 will be bridge. Number 3, country. Number 4, river. Number 5, long. And number 6, building. Exercise number 2 here, read the text in the class book and write. The Gigantia buildings are the oldest buildings in the world. They are over 5,500 years old. Number 2, the 2 bridges over Lake Pontchartrain are the longest bridges in the world. They are nearly 25 miles long. Russia is the biggest country in the world. It's about 17,075,400 square kilometers. Number 4, the Nile is the longest river in the world. It's about 6,695 kilometers long. Thank you and goodbye.